Hi, this is Nermin, and this is continuation of the first part of the tutorial where I showed you how to track your bank sales within Clickfunnels. So I provided this code here, and if you're using Clickfunnels, your code will be slightly different, and not many things will be changed. They are mostly these things in blue here. Oops, what did I have? Mostly these things in blue will change, and I'll show you how to do it. If you're going to our lander page or our advertorial page, there will be a button here at the bottom saying, allowing going to the next step. What you're gonna do, you're gonna right click on that one in your browser and click inspect. And then you will look for the href tag right here. You're going to click on that one. So this is basically your link here, because this is a href link. And this href link has a class attribute, and that class attribute might have more than one classes in here. So you're going to just double click, and then you're going to copy this whole thing. You can open a notepad, you're going to paste that in here. Okay. Now, look, there is like several classes in here separated by an empty space. Okay. What you're going to do, you're going to copy this, paste it, and now you're going to replace the spaces with dots. Make sure you don't delete anything, you just replace the spaces with dots. So now you have the same string but with dots, and at the beginning you're going to add another dot here. So if you look at the code in my tutorial, you will search for that first class attribute, which is in this case L button, right? Now you will see exactly the places where you're gonna have to do the changes in the code, in the first part as well as in the second. And this is all what you're gonna do. You can copy this whole first part. You're gonna paste it into your notepad, and now wherever you see L button, you're gonna put I already have this. So in your case, it's going to be like the string that we constructed here with the dots. If I do a search, I'm gonna see that I have this whole string appearing twice in my first code segment, right? So that's what you need to change with your own, and then twice in the second, right? Because they have this part of code is the same in both of these. So what else is left is that first class attribute, which is in this case L button, and this is appearing with the dot. Actually, in this case, this is appearing here 3 times at the top. So over here it's going to be in these 2 lines the whole string, the long one, this guy here, and over here at the beginning of each code segment you're gonna have this first attribute with the dot in the front just 3 times. So the replacement should not be too hard. All you have to replace is like, you have to replace this thing as number 1, and you have to replace this thing as number 2. This is all what you gotta do. So these 3 things, and then these 2 things with your own string. Again, here in this code segment, again, these 3 things at the top, and then these 2 long strings below. Once you change that with your values, with the values of your funnel, this code should work as we shown in the video part number 1. It should work for your funnel. So I hope this helps, and talk soon.